Hi everyone, thanks for joining today. My name's Katie and I'm here to give you some Excel tips. And today we're going to talk about how to transpose our data from columns into rows. So first I'm going to show you I have my Excel spreadsheet open. I have my small data set over in columns A and B. And I'm going to come over here and I'm going to copy this data. So I'm going to select it all with my mouse. On my keyboard, I'm going to select Control C, and then I'm going to come over to whatever data cell I want to paste it into. So for example, I'll use D2. I'll click in this cell, and I'm going to do Control, Alt, and V on my keyboard. So Control, Alt, V, and this brings up my menu for Paste Special. So down here, these are tons of different options we can cover in a different video. However, the one that I'm teaching you about today is this transpose down here at the bottom. So I can simply click this with my mouse and hit OK, and my data will be transposed. Easy and simple as that. So this is great if you're trying to make a pivot table or just simply you want to display your data in a different way. We can spot check this by looking at, let's say, 4, and it was tied to the name Mark. And I can come over here to column G and I see 4 and Mark. So that's great. It all lines up. Another quicker way that I can show you how to do this is to copy this data again, Control C on your keyboard, come down to D5, whatever cell you want to copy and paste it in. And I'm going to hit Control Alt V again, bring up my paste special, and then a keyboard shortcut. So this goes for all the letters that are underscored in this paste special. So I can see that in transpose, the E is underscored here. So what I have to do on my keyboard is hit Alt, so Alt, and then the letter E, because that's the one that's underscored. And I just did it, and you can see that my transpose check mark is checked now. You can also do that for Alt F for formulas, Alt V for values, Alt T for formats, and so on, which we can go over in a different video. Select OK, and there you have it. Your data is transposed again. Please go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and add any comments below on any content that you would like for me to build. Any formulas, anything you want to know about Excel, I'm here to do it, and I'm happy to help. Thanks, and have a great day.